My name is Chris Mazer with Howell Fire Department in Michigan. This engine here is going to replace one of the 5 engines that we have. We have 4 stations with the 5 engines. This will be in our farthest southern area. We cover about 145 square miles of area. Our weather is very similar to what you guys have here in South Dakota, so it's all the 4 seasons that we go through. So as we start the front of the truck, we went with the American flag on the front just to add a little bit of style to it. Also up front, we went with the full length, full depth compartment. We run a front trash line off the front for car fires, trash fires, stuff like that. This other side we're going to use for some other types of traffic cones or anything else that we might come through. So this is new to us, having this big of a compartment up front, so that should be really nice. We have the recessed, the Q siren, which is kind of nice, cleans up the front of the truck a little bit better. As we move back, went with a 6-man cab on this truck. We went with the 70-inch extended cab, which gives us a lot of room inside, the biggest cab we've ever had. So we're really kind of excited to have all that extra room. 450 horsepower Cummins engine. Just we got a lot of dirt roads, a few hills, but we want to make sure we can get through all those hills and all that stuff with no problem. Inside driver's area, we went with the composite dash with the red color, which we think just adds a little bit of a nice touch to the truck. The yellow grab handles, which we all liked, just seems a lot more durable and easy to see and everything. We went with the Vista screen just on the driver's side, just to allow the driver easy access to all the controls and everything. The harvest console in the center there just keeps everything nice and contained with cup holders, the USB ports for charging people's phones and everything. So as we come back into the rear of the truck on the driver's side, we have 2 rear-facing seats, 2 forward-facing seats. We like the new design of the seats to flip up, just give us a lot more room inside and everything. We went with an EMS cabinet, quite a bit bigger cabinet. We put an outlet inside the cabinet for some of our medical equipment that might need battery charging or whatever. So we're kind of really excited about how much room and everything we have in this cab. So, also on the outside of the cab, we went with the grab handles with the lights in them, just to give that little bit extra safety to see at night. We also went with a full height door because we did get that 70-inch cab. We had this extra space. We can put our brooms and some shovels, stuff like that inside here, which would be nice. We have the side compartments on our walkway. In those we'll probably be carrying, we have ice water suits that we carry on our engines. We do have a lot of lakes and rivers in Howell, so we do quite a few ice rescues or rescue situations where we could use the ice water suits. So we carry those with life vests in all of our engines, so that's kind of what that compartment's going to be used for. One of the features that we really went with on this one that we like, that we don't have on any of our other trucks, are the pull-out trays. So these are real nice, and it's going to be a lot easier for us to rebed hose off the truck and then to slide the trays in. So this will be a nice time savings. So this is some kind we're looking forward to also. We went with a 1500 GPM pump. We kind of rate our pumps for 1250 just to kind of give us 10-15 years down the road, as the truck gets a little older, we'll still have that 1250 rating even though the pump's at 1500. So discharges are pretty straightforward. An intake, 2 discharges on this side. I'm going to jump up top, look at the pump panel real quick. For our pump panel, we went with very simple design. Very simple. We have all our master control lights, so we can run all the scene lights, all the emergency lights and everything from the pump panel. We can control the air horn if we have to have an evacuation signal or something like that. We have that access here from the pump panel. Just very simple, clean design. We like these handles that Rosenbauer offers, and we're kind of anxious to use these with the cables instead of the mechanical levers that we've used before. So we're usually all of our stuff for the engineer, so all of our extra brass components, adapters, extra nozzles and stuff like that. So that's kind of what we're going to be putting in this compartment. And this compartment is basically where we keep a lot of our hand tools. We went with the back to have the aluminum panel that actually pops out. So we can take that panel out, lay our tools out the way we want with all the tool holders, stick the panel back, put the screws back in it, and it's permanently set up. If we need to change it, we can pull that panel back off. Back here, salvage covers, extra lights, stuff like that. 2 adjustable shelves, a lot of room down here for our exhaust fans and everything like that. So one of the things we did differently that we've never done before is we went with the ladders inside through the center of the tank. This truck also carries 1,250 gallons of water. We decided to go with the swing out doors as opposed to roll-ups on the back. And one of the other nice features that we went with is the hose bed cover. We went with a solid hose bed cover that is actually powered just with the switch. So that will be a nice, we can just push a button and raise the cover, which would be a nice feature for us. Pretty much the same compartments as the other side, just 2 adjustable shelves. Again, we put just a lot of our extra tools and lights and everything like that on this side. Same thing on this side. This side's some of our saws and extinguishers we'll put on this side here. And this side's very similar to the other side, 2 adjustable shelves. Again, the removable aluminum backing on there. All right, so that's been a quick walk around and run around of our new Engine 23 for Howell Fire. So I'd just like to thank Rosenbauer and Bob Coulter, our salesperson, being a great person and been really good working with them, and everybody here at Rosenbauer has been great to deal with, and we're really excited and happy about the truck.